Hi, in this video I will be explaining the mission objective of Project IITMSAT. The primary objective of IITMSAT is to study the nature of fluctuations of charged particle fluxes in low Earth orbit due to their precipitation from the Van Allen radiation belt by measuring the position and time dependence of particle energy spectrum, background flux, and nature of sudden increase in the flux of high energy protons and electrons in the upper ionosphere. The secondary objective of Team IITMSAT is to experimentally characterize the relationship between particle bursts, that is the sharp increase in count rates of protons and electrons in the upper ionosphere, with seismic activity, lightning storms and solar flares. The phenomenon is briefly described like this. Few hours before an earthquake, there is a pressure build-up underground and SEME waves are generated. These ultra low frequency waves seep through the ground and they travel as alpine waves after the ionosphere. These alpine waves interact resonantly with trapped particles in the radiation belt, which results in the precipitation of these charged particles. And IITMSAT will be able to measure these charged particles, and we'll try to find a correlation of these particle counts with seismic precursors. These dotted lines show the magnetic field lines. IITMSAT's z-axis will be oriented along the direction of these magnetic field lines, and this is the ionospheric interaction region with the Van Allen radiation belt. These dotted lines show the trapped particles in the Van Allen radiation belt. So when there is seismic activity, ultra low frequency waves are emitted which travel as alpine waves through these Van Allen radiation belt and results in the precipitation of these charged particles along the magnetic field lines. This results in the effective lowering of mirror points, and IITMSAT traveling along the direction of the magnetic field will be able to capture these particles, and we'll be able to get a count on the number of particles. And as the mission objective says, we'll try to correlate the count of these charged particles with seismic activity. That's it. Thank you.